Big breaking news coming in. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary talks about the Congress TMC tie-up breaking and in the sensational claims that he is making against Mamata Banerjee. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says Mamata wants to save nephew. So what he is implying is that Didi's nephew is the reason behind the breakup. Sensational charges have been leveled by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary on the breakup between Congress and TMC.
हमारे साथ वरिष्ठ कांग्रेस नेता, बहरमपुर से उम्मीदवार और मुर्शिदाबाद के दादा अधीर रंजन चौधरी मौजूद है। दादा, लगातार 1999 से आप जीतते आ रहे हैं, ये क्या मुर्शिदाबाद के लोगों का प्यार है कि 5 बार से लगातार आपको इलेक्ट करते आए?
मेरा किसी को डराने की क्षमता है क्या? प्यार तो जरूर है, बिना प्यार कैसे हो सकता है? सिर्फ प्यार नहीं, यकीन भी करते हैं लोग, भरोसा करते हैं। देखो ना, आम लोग की जमावड़ा देखो, इससे पता चलेगा।
दादा, हम आपके कैंपेन ट्रेल में थे, देख रहे थे इतनी भीड़ है लोगों की, आप हर एक गली नुक्कड़ में जा रहे हैं, कैसा फीडबैक है, कितना आश्वस्त है? छठी टाइम जो है 6th टाइम यहाँ से जीतने के लिए।
देखिए, सारे चीज आप देख रहे हैं, लोगों को मतलब बॉडी लैंग्वेज जिसको कहते हैं वो तो आप खुद देख रहे हो। इसका एक झलक अगला चुनाव में जरूर निकलेगा, थोड़ा इंतजार करो।
दादा, आप पर न सिर्फ यहाँ से जीतने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, लेकिन चूंकि आप प्रदेश कांग्रेस के प्रेसिडेंट भी हैं, तो कांग्रेस का प्रदर्शन राज्य में अच्छा हो वो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी।
बिल्कुल अच्छा होगा। ये मुर्शिदाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट, बगल वाले मालदा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, इधर बीरभूम, रायगंज, बड़ी अच्छा हमारा नतीजा निकलेगी इस बार। इस बार बड़े सरप्राइज आपके लिए इंतजार कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा रुकिए, बड़ा सरप्राइज आपको देखने को मौका मिलेगा।
दादा, इंडिया अलायंस में बंगाल में कोई अलायंस नहीं हो पाया, लेकिन आपके कैंपेन ट्रेल में हमने देखा है कि लेफ्ट आपको जो है सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
ये हमारे सीट एडजस्टमेंट कर चुके हैं हम लोग, ये खुले आम की है, कोई चोरी छुपी बात नहीं है।
दादा, आपको लगता है कि अगर तृणमूल ये एडजस्टमेंट कर लेती तो बीजेपी को नुकसान होता और अलायंस को फायदा?
अगर एडजस्ट कर लेते तो दीदी के जो भतीजा है खोका बाबू जेल के अंदर चले जाते, जेल के अंदर सर रही होती, इसलिए दीदी आत्मसमर्पण कर चुके हैं, सर झुका दिया है मोदी की चरण में।
क्या इसीलिए उन्होंने नहीं किया?
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
So you heard the sensational claims that are being made by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Says Didi wanted to save her nephew and that's why the alliance did not work out between the Congress and the TMC. Mamata has a deal with BJP, says Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. He says the deal was done to save Abhishek Banerjee and that was the reason behind the split between the Congress and the TMC when it comes to West Bengal. They're of course part of the INDI alliance, but we saw how Mamata Banerjee went ahead and announced the names of the candidates while the Congress kept on saying that the talks are underway, and she made it absolutely clear that she's going solo as far as West Bengal is concerned. Now Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is making these sensational claims. The senior leader of the Congress party, also a candidate from Berhampur in West Bengal, says that the deal broke between Congress and TMC because Mamata Banerjee made another deal with the BJP. That deal was done to save her nephew Abhishek Banerjee, which led to the split or breakup between the Congress and the TMC. We have Adrija joining us with more details. Adrija, this is a massive news break. The sensational claims being made by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary against Mamata Banerjee, an ally of the INDI bloc, but not in West Bengal. He says, and the reason behind that is that Mamata Banerjee wanted to save Abhishek Banerjee and she made a deal with BJP. That's why their deal with Congress broke.
Well, absolutely. You see, this war of words between the TMC and the other West Bengal continue, where all the parties TMC says that claims that the Congress and the left that are fighting in alliance in this West Bengal have an understanding of BJP, are working as a B team of the BJP to cut the vote of the TMC. And at the same time, we are seeing that the TMC now the Congress comes and makes the same allegation against the TMC, where they are saying that TMC have standing with the BJP and therefore, in order to Abhishek Banerjee, in order to save themselves, have now broke a deal with the BJP, and now they have under the, and therefore what they are fighting in a certain manner.
Right. These are very, very serious allegations. To say that Mamata Banerjee is working at the behest of BJP is a sensational charge against Mamata Banerjee.
Well, absolutely. You see, the Congress and the have been claiming this, that TMC is nothing but just a softer version of the BJP, just another B team of the BJP. But at the same time, the TMC claims the Congress and the Left Alliance. And the BJP have come out and have said that they don't need either of the parties to come and fight with them because they are enough to fight themselves. TMC on several occasions also we have seen when Mamata Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee address the public. They have
All
on
right,
several
Adrija, stay on with us. We have Shishir Bajoria of the BJP joining us. Shishir Bajoria, how do you respond to this massive development? Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary taking on Mamata Banerjee, saying she's working at the behest of BJP. She made a deal with the Bharatiya Janata Party to save her nephew. That led to a split between Congress and TMC in West Bengal.
In West Bengal, one thing is very, very, it's a bit humorous, and it gives us a lot of strength. Congress leaders think that BJP is working with TMC. CPM thinks BJP is working with TMC. TMC thinks we are working with Congress and CPM. So one thing is confirmed, it is BJP all the way in West Bengal, because all of them somehow or the other want to make us a scapegoat. As far as this Indie Alliance is concerned, Indie Alliance, where does it exist? I will ask Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary ji only one question. Who are you fighting in Kerala? Your own alliance member, who you are trying to hold hands here with. Something which is not natural is not going to happen. And that is the issue. There is no alliance called Indie. Ask any Indie Alliance leader, what does Indie stand for?
But what do you have to say about the allegations that the BJP, that TMC made a deal with BJP because they want to save Abhishek Banerjee? Clearly, you know, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, they're hinting about the investigation against Abhishek Banerjee.
See, he can imagine anything and say anything. The fact is, if there was any such thing, why would all the expose of Sandesh Khali come? The way the central agencies have gone and come to the rescue of the women folk of Sandesh Khali, which is part of that area. Though it's not Diamond Harbour constituency, but it's the same geography. That is where the whole thing lies. In Diamond Harbour, why is there so much of BJP campaign going on? If we were to give a safe passage, these are all simply, I would say, Kalpanik. It's just what you think.
All right, Shishir Bajoria, thank you very much for speaking to us and taking those questions. Let's once again listen to those sensational allegations and charges being leveled by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary against Mamata Banerjee.
इंडी अलायंस में बंगाल में कोई अलायंस नहीं हो पाया, लेकिन आपके कैंपेन ट्रेल में हमने देखा है कि लेफ्ट आपको जो है सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। झंडे
ये हमारा सीट एडजस्टमेंट कर चुके हैं हम लोग, ये खुलेआम की है, कोई चोरी छुपी बात नहीं है।
दादा, आपको लगता है कि अगर तृणमूल ये एडजस्टमेंट कर लेती तो बीजेपी को नुकसान होता और अलायंस को फायदा?
अगर एडजस्ट कर लेते तो दीदी के जो भतीजा है खोका बाबू जेल के अंदर चले जाते, जेल के अंदर सर रही होती, इसलिए दीदी आत्मसमर्पण कर चुके हैं, सर झुका दिया है मोदी की चरण में।
क्या इसीलिए उन्होंने नहीं किया?
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
So you heard Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, they are leveling these sensational allegations against Mamata Banerjee, saying Didi wanted to save her nephew. That's why she struck a deal with the Bharatiya Janata Party and is working at the behest of the BJP. This comes at a time when still Congress and TMC are part of the India Alliance, but they broke up in West Bengal when Mamata Banerjee went ahead and announced the name of the candidates, and Congress party was kept perhaps in dark, because the Congress party kept on saying that the talks are still underway. Now, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says that it was because a deal was done between TMC and BJP. What remains to be seen is whether the High Command and other leaders of the Congress party will back Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary or distance themselves. Because Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has made a very, very big claim that BJP TMC deal was done, which led to a split between Congress TMC in West Bengal. All of this was done to save Abhishek Banerjee, and Mamata Banerjee is working at the behest of the BJP. Remains to be seen how the High Command and how other senior leaders of the Congress party respond to these statements being made by Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Adrija continues to be with us on the broadcast. Adrija, so far we have not got any reaction from the Congress, but it remains to be seen whether the High Command, senior leaders of the Congress are going to back Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary or are they going to distance themselves. Because still the Congress and the TMC are part of the INDI bloc. They may not be in alliance in West Bengal, but they're still part of the INDI bloc.
Well, absolutely. There is a alliance between the TMC and the Congress in the national level in Delhi. That is what the TMC have been claiming. But in West Bengal, they're fighting separately, and in fact, they're fighting against each other. And at the same time, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, from the very beginning, have mentioned very clearly that he doesn't wish to do any kind of alliance with Mamata Banerjee's party. But however, we have seen the central leadership on a lot of occasions, the high command speaking in favor of the TMC, supporting the TMC on several occasions. But of course, no matter what, there is a difference between the lines that come from the high command and what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary actually speaks about, Mamata Banerjee as a whole and the TMC party. But of course, we always see Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary attacking the TMC party. But very interestingly, the high command, goes soft on her. So we are yet to see what happens after this particular comment of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, where he is coming and claiming that, Mamata Banerjee have an understanding with the BJP in order to save her nephew Abhishek Banerjee. But we are yet to see how the High Command is to reply on this entire